Some AI tools in 2025 feel like they shouldn't be free, but they are. And today, I'll show you 5 of the most powerful, mind-blowing tools that cost $0, yet feel like you're getting away with something. Let's dive in. Tool 1, ChatGPT. Free. This one might sound obvious, but hear me out. The free version of ChatGPT in 2025 is still insanely powerful. It can write emails, articles, marketing copy, business plans, you name it. It understands tone, context, and even humor. Want to write a YouTube script in 2 minutes? Done. It's like having a personal assistant, editor, and copywriter all in one. And yes, it's still free. Tool 2, 11 Labs. Ever wanted your words read in a realistic human voice? 11 Labs lets you paste your script and generate ultra-realistic voiceovers. It nails the tone, emotion, even the breathing. People are using it for audiobooks, narrating videos, and some for fun voice cloning experiments. It's scarily accurate and totally free at the entry level. Tool 3, Pictory. This one turns simple text into a full video. No editing experience needed. You just paste your script, and it adds stock footage, captions, music, transitions, even AI voice. Perfect for YouTube creators, marketers, or anyone who wants fast, clean video content. Pictory makes content creation feel like cheating. And yes, there's a free version. Tool 4, Leonardo. I want to create insane artwork, characters, or game assets? Leonardo AI does it with just a few prompts. You describe it, and boom, high-quality visuals that look professionally made. It's like Midjourney and Photoshop had a baby, and it grew up with superpowers. Designers love it, and it's completely free to start using. Tool 5, Voicify AI. This one is wild. Type your lyrics, pick a celebrity voice, like Kanye, Drake, Ariana, and it turns it into a song. You get a full AI-generated music track that sounds disturbingly real. It's fun, creative, and weirdly addictive. And yes, the basic version is totally free. And those are just 5 of the many insane AI tools out there in 2025. They're powerful, fast, and most of all, free. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. Want more AI tools, tech tricks, and content like this? Then hit like, subscribe, and follow for daily drops, right here on 808 Tech Daily. See you in the next one.